guys, AllenTCynthia here. Welcome to today's Trading Diaries episode. I'm gonna be reviewing this good trade that we had on gold. From the daily time frame, this is what we were seeing. So I annotated this fairly gap right here, and price came back and revisited it, and we saw a strong bullish move to this week, over 1,000 pips or now. Overall price movement, so overall market structure has been bullish. We've always noticed this break of market structure levels here and there. Let me annotate them out. We noticed break of market structure levels. We had that one. Price came back and revisited this fair value gap a million times. I love fair value gaps on gold and other instruments that I trade, but I love seeing fair value gaps with order blocks too. They are one of the strongest. And we also had this one here, so let's focus on what we had. Order block here at the daily time frame, and price revisited the order block. And price revisited the fair value gap right after the order block from a price shift here. And first target was this high here that was on two overlapped. I think it was around 2682, big figure if you might. And my entire anticipation is for price to reach out for 3k before the year ends or whatever. We shall see depending on how everything will be printed out, but we still having US elections next month, so we shall see how price is about to react and everything. So hopping to the 4-hour time frame. Price came back swiftly, and we can notice this. This was the daily fair value gap here, and it came back. So I was seeing this, noticed it, and I would say price came here and broke market structure only for it to proceed to the downside. That is what I had noticed first, but I noticed the fair value gap and the way price was playing around it. And this week here was rather really strong, and I got to notice that. And when you look closely, you could see a little catastrophe set up since we had these lows here. When I zoom in, it is a sweep on internal liquidity. Pretty far-fetched, but it's amazing. So that was my first and ever confluence to take on it. And the way it closed, I kind of took it like random, but the way it closed up there was so much confirmation. So we shifted bullish and price reacted here, but the way this kind of stayed closed enough of a confirmation, and we so proceeded broke like a structure again. Price revisited this for our order block, bullish order block, just to be specific, and we noticed again. I love to study price candle if I have to, especially on higher time frames, because I receive all that I need to receive on higher time. You can see that exact thing that happened here too. The way this kind of stay closed, too much of a confirmation, and we just took it. Not gonna lie, I saw the same thing, but I saw the underlying market structure was, and price literally respected this order block here. It's it. Price disrespected it at first, but it stepped it into it anyways and came back. That was a good one. And I would think as well, the same thing would happen here, just by the way price goes. But as I saw, like, the over and underlying market structure was too bullish for price to just shift from there, and we just noticed this gap was left open at the open, and we had this doji. So I love to study market structure accordingly, because when you notice this candlestick, you would definitely see that screaming bearishness. But at the same point, I got so much conflict with the way these candles are. I like to call these momentum candles, especially when they're being drawn to a specific level or a specific side that we're looking at. It was still weak. That was like the basic thing that was explaining. So price came back here on the 4-hour order block, bullish order block, and we shifted so well. And this bullish candle was too much of a confluence as well. We came back here, prices are approaching this all-time high again, since we made it like a few months back already, but it came back to the all-time high. And I said the minute that it has retested it a million times, we saw here wick through it. I love the way candlesticks close on certain levels because they show me what I need to know. I consider this as a breakable too. So let's put some lipstick, considering it's had a mini order block here. So this fair value gap here as well. This order block, a fair value gap is still valid. It's only invalid if price closes above it, but if price just breaks through, it's still valid. So it was a good one. So we proceeded from that point. We came up to this level in black market structure and came back here. We tested this order block and we proceeded to the upper side. I'm still 100% bullish. Might want to see some retracement.